What do you think is the #1 question we get the second before we hit record on a video? It might surprise you.
What am I doing with my hands?
There is definitely an art to body language so that you appear natural, relaxed, and confident in your videos. I've spent years photographing people, and here are 3 tips that work for everyone. This is a space about 2 feet wide in front of your core. This keeps your arms contained so you're not flailing about, which doesn't read well on video. My go-to gestures that work well: the sweep, the closed fist, and the hand clasp. Be careful about pointing to the camera. It can feel intimidating for the viewer. Practicing in front of a mirror while reading your script is a great way to make it feel natural on camera. And remember to mirror your gestures. Right to left reads as left to right for the viewer. Don't forget to move your head and shoulders so you don't appear stiff. This is as simple as a shoulder shrug, a slight lean, a knowing nod. Don't forget to smile. If you stand straight to the camera, it can feel a bit stiff. An old portraiture trick is to step one leg to the back with your body facing into the shot. Put most of your weight on that back leg. This will open up the space in your power box for your hand gestures and make your body look more relaxed. We coach our Idea Kit clients every day to be the best they can be on camera. If you're ready to create, engage, and convert your prospects to clients, visit ideadecanter.com.